Really, Vanity Planet? Really? Really? You guys know I was raving about this what's it called? Flow straightening brush from Vanity Planet. I was raving about it. Was. Past tense. Was. My experience after, because you guys see me on Instagram and Facebook, and my experience after is just the bomb, baby. Yes, nothing has changed, boo. Nothing has changed. I love this thing. I love it. I love it. I love it. Listen, this, oh my gosh, I'm hot. This Vanity Planet straightening brush is everything. It is versatile, it is effective. So let me talk about the mechanics of it. Alright, so you know I love it. I love it. Hands down, one of the best straightening, the only straightening brush that I have, and one of the best straightening tools I've ever used. Alright, so you have two things in one. The convenience of a brush, because of, you know, it's a brush. It's not plugged in, but it's a brush. So the convenience of a brush and the convenience, the amazing convenience of a flat iron. So the heat emanates from the base. I can, whenever I plug it in, when I put my hand over this, like the, what's this called? Spokes, the stems or whatever, like this, it doesn't burn me. I feel the heat coming up, but it doesn't burn me, like, ah, gosh, it's hot. Because the heat is at the bottom. So whenever you're using this, make sure your hairs are touching the base of it. This thing is phenomenal. I've used it on most hair types. I've used it on straight hair, like Caucasian-esque hair. I've used it on curly hair, not curly hair, wavy hair. And I've used it on Afro kinky hair. Now, how I can use it on all those hairs is because I wear a lot of wigs. Oh no, oh, I thought I was leaking. So you guys know about my, wow, it is. I am hot. So you guys know of my Lux Virgin hair. I think it's something straight. I think it's Mongolian kinky straight or something like that. But the really kinky hair that I tested it out with before, because I have a demo using this brush, but this video is my full-on review and my thoughts on the straightening brush. And the reason it took me that long is because the honest truth is I've just been really busy. I have been lagging with my videos. I'm sorry, I'm fanning myself. It's really hot and I can't turn on the fan because you can hear the sound. And if you ask why not turn on the AC, I do not have air conditioning. Yeah, so this straightening brush, I've never seen one like that before in my life. I didn't even knew that they existed. So when I was researching, I found out that other companies have straightening brush, and I'm like, oh, that's interesting, because Vanity Planet is the only one I ever saw with it, right? So back to what I was saying, it went with straight hair, like Caucasian-esque hair, it's like butter, boo-boo. With wavy hair, like loose curl, wavy loose curl hair, that butter, boo-boo. But with kinky hair, it will take time. It does smooth it out, but it will take time. I find that when I use a flat iron to clamp the hair together and run it down, it works faster than me having the flow straightening brush. I'm giving my honest opinion. You will get your hair straight, but it will not be as quickly as if you just use a flat iron and done. Now the thing I recognize, and this is weird of me saying because to me it makes no sense, but it conditions the hair. After whenever I use it on my hair has a noticeable shine on it. Not like, oh my god, girl, is that plastic? I'm gonna need a glasses to be around you, boo-boo. It's not that shiny, but it just gives a healthy glow to your hair. It gives a healthy luster, a healthy glow. Like, it just looks healthy, and it's I don't know, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, but it just does. It leaves the hair looking healthy, and the hair feels extremely soft after you're done. This Vanity Planet Flow straightening brush is everything. I love it. The only thing I would say that is a miss for me is the it being portable, because I had a photo shoot to do the other day, and I had to like wrap it up and like put it in, like I had to wrap it up in like one of my t-shirts or something I had to carry. Now if this came with a carrying bag, like a cute velvet, you know how the Rihanna shoes come with the velvet bag? If it came with like a cute velvet bag, oh, that would be everything. It would be everything. It would be hella portable, hella portable. I really think they should come up with a travel size of this, something a little bit more condensed, and with all the travel amenities, you know, like with the carrying case and stuff like that. This thing is absolutely amazing. It's a lifesaver. I do everything. I do 3 things in one with this. I straighten my hair. I can't say flat iron. I straighten my hair, I detangle my hair, and I also condition my hair with just this and no product in it. This is everything. This is, oh, I'm sweating and look. No. It is everything. It is everything. I love it. I love it to bits and pieces. It's just everything to me. I love it. As you guys know, I am an affiliate with Vanity Planet, and I'm so honored to be affiliated with this company. They have so much good stuff. I have the scale from them. I have the straightening brush from them. I have the face brush cleansing kit from them. I have one food scale from them. Listen, me blood cleanse tell you this. It's a Vanity Planet thing up. And even though I'm not on their Instagram, which I'm not gonna say nothing about, to be affiliated with the company is amazing, and that's it for me, you know what I mean? So that's my 2 cents on my Vanity Planet Flow straightening brush. Yes, got it in one go, because I'm a star. That's it. If you're thinking about buying it, do use my code LyricFlow. You get, I think, either 50% off or 45% off. Like, the discount is hella crazy. And I'm gonna be getting some for my friends. Psych! No, I will not. I'll be buying one specifically for somebody. Okay? One of my auntie asking for buy it for her. That's the person. I feel like you're not pressure me. Don't pressure me. Alright, so that's it, you guys, for this video. Y'all know I'm sweating, I'm glistening, I am hot. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Vanity Planet, thank you so much for sending me this flow straightening brush to review. It's amazing, and in my native tongue, it turn up, it shell way. You a lead, you're gonna lead. Sever. Yeah. Bye guys.